guys, people have varied interests. So don't try to fit in and be cool. Instead, sit back and see what is it that you love doing. You ask me, Avi, what is the course you want to do? Next course I'm going to do is to how to predict the outcome of a Bollywood movie. Okay, because I love to do those predictions. I know I'll be able to make a community of people who would love to learn something like that, or something about movie, or make a movie club, Bollywood club, right? And give a Facebook group with it where we can discuss movies, and I'll charge some $10 or something per month. Thousands of members would like to come and say, I will predict the outcome of a movie. This is how it works, and everybody becomes a movie critic. And so in my course, I can teach people to become movie critics. So I give them a course. Here is how you can become a movie critic, and then they too can become a movie critic and have their own channel and all of that. Can you imagine what you're doing with a course? Tomorrow you can have many people who you teach, and they are all your subordinates. They all say, I have followed the MBM method to become a movie critic, MBM method to become a movie, to become whatever you want. So you just see, I'm opening up the world of possibilities to your thinking, ladies and gentlemen. So if you love talking about cricket or football or Pilates, or you want to talk about the power of a third marriage or secondshadi.com, or I don't know, whatever life has given you, whatever crazy experience life has given you, please respect that and share that with people. Because many, even if it's a minutest thing or rarest of rarest thing that happened with you, there's still a possibility 100,000 people have gone through that. Now, the smaller the community, the more niche it is. People don't know how to go from when they're entering the dark tunnel. Maybe they don't know how to get through it. And you've come out and you've said, "Oh, but that experience, I hope nobody goes through it. It was not like." But guys, come on, don't be selfish. Give that experience to somebody else. Use the formula which I give you, the MVM course versus program system. First write the name of your program, then the name of your course, and break down the course into 10 how-to courses. And then when you look at the program, answer by saying what is the transformation you're going to give to people. Then number 3, I can give you one more tip. What is the problem that you're solving? Write it down, write 3 points. What is the problem? Again, this is the time to pause. You can pause the video right now. Pause. I have not paused, I'm asking you to pause. Okay, if you haven't paused or paused, up to you. What is the problem you're solving? 1, 2, 3. In micro videos, I'm helping people remove shyness so that they can become better video creators and put their brands out there. Okay. I am helping people become better public speakers by using more videos. I am helping people to get known online and get more sales using the micro video mastery method. Okay. Is that a good enough problem to solve? Maybe, maybe not. Okay. What else? 4th problem. 5th problem. Look at 6, 7 problems that you're solving, and then you can maybe survey your audience if you have an audience, or just run a Facebook poll ad and ask people, these are the problems that I'm solving. How would that be? I'm telling you, a focus group. Don't go to your friends and family, please. They will not understand all of this. Just go to the audience that you're eventually going to serve. If you have an audience, ask them on an email survey. Say, I'm going to give you a free Robin Sharma book or any book, and say, answer these questions, let me know. The other thing is spend a little bit of money, $10, $20, put an ad on Facebook, say this is my name, this is the course I'm doing, this is the amount of price I'm charging, what do you think should be the right price, and all of that. People will come back to you with an analysis, and you will say, wow, this opened my mind. You can sell anything on the internet, ladies and gentlemen. Your life lessons put into bite-sized videos to be able to serve other people in the form of an online course. I hope you found this video useful. At the end of the video, there is the complete checklist, there's a complete guide, and there are all these downloadable tools with a free trial. Go ahead, get the free trial, listen to the videos, see what they're telling you to do in the free trials, and then come back on this video and ask me a question if I can help you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Once again, my name is Avi Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman, a streetcar racer turned hotelier, now social media marketer, and founder of Internet Mogul, signing off for now.